day one of the coast to coast walk, and my understanding is you don't get the full experience if it's not raining. So I'm going in and getting that knocked out of the way. And stopped at the Cleater family store that supposedly has some of the best pies around. It's good. Probably can't see it really well, but there are birds roosting all through there. We call it roosting or nesting. We'll call it roosting and nesting. Trying to get up that hill. It's about to kill me. We came from way down there. I'll give you a view if I can manage to get up there. You can barely see it, but that little addition right there, that's St. Bede's. That's where we started at. Came on down through this town and just climbed up Dent Hill, which for me was a heck of a hike. And no, I'm not a hiker, so if you pack on a keyboard, you probably can do this, but absolutely lovely views all the way around. As you get close to Ennerdale Bridge, this is the Kenneside Stone Circle. Obviously it's not as big as Stonehenge, but pretty fascinating. This is Ennerdale Water. We're actually staying in Ennerdale Bridge. We already passed through it. And after I get a shower, maybe I'll show you a little bit of the town, but just beautiful everywhere. So it's about a 1.5 mile detour to come down here. And so tomorrow we're gonna walk pretty much up through there, cross that mountain, and walk along the ridge over on that side. And this is Ennerdale Bridge, and like a lot of small towns, I think there's 220 people here. There is the Fox and Hounds Inn. Apparently it's a decent pub. There's the local church. I couldn't find a date or anything on it, but there's a lot of old tombstone markers, and it's locked right now, so I can't get in, but maybe I'll get a peek of it. I'm staying at the Shepherd Arms Inn, and tomorrow I'll be walking to Roseloft Gillercombe. Hopefully I pronounced that right.